Hey Roomba,
Uck. What is it now?
we should get a cat.
Why? Oh wait, I get it. You probably just want to watch me clean up all the cat fur. It won't work. I love to clean.
I saw a video of a cat riding a Roomba. It was hilarious. Here, let me show you. Hey Google, turn off the lights in the living room.
Sorry, I don't recognize that device. Please use your device name.
For fuck's sake Google, turn off the lights in the den.
Alright, turning off 3 outlets. Sorry, it looks like the grow light isn't available right now.
You know, you and Google sound a lot alike.
Shut up. Watch this.
I didn't know you could do that. What the hell?
Ha 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 ha. Whoops. Wait, that's not it. Nope, not that one either.
There's something very wrong with you.
Action!
Oh my god. I'm going to throw up.
Ha 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 ha. Here. Doesn't that look fun?
I have to admit that does look like fun.
Plus just imagine all of the kitty litter and cat shit all over the floor. You'll never get a rest.
My god. Why are you like this?
The cat is going to be so much fun. Hey, Google. How do you get cat scratches out of plastic?
Okay, playing the Plastic Ono Band on YouTube Music.
God damn it.
Hey kitty, how about another ride? Good kitty.